Did you know that over 1 billion people worldwide use Microsoft Office daily? But do we really know how to make the most of these programs? Today, we'll explore the most important Microsoft Office programs and their key uses. Welcome to Glimpse Pro. 1. Microsoft Word. If you need to write reports, create a resume, or prepare official documents, Microsoft Word is the perfect tool. It allows you to format text, insert images and tables, and even check for spelling errors automatically. Simply put, it's the ultimate solution for creating professional documents with ease. Question: do you use Word just for writing, or do you have other creative uses? Let us know in the comments. 2. Microsoft Excel. If you work with numbers and spreadsheets daily, Microsoft Excel is a must-have. It's used for creating tables, analyzing data, and generating charts, making it an essential tool for accountants, financial analysts, and entrepreneurs. With advanced formulas and functions, you can perform complex calculations effortlessly. In short, Excel is the ultimate tool for data analysis and making informed decisions. 3. Microsoft PowerPoint. Want to create a stunning presentation that captivates your audience? With PowerPoint, you can design slides featuring images, text, charts, and even videos, making your presentations more engaging and interactive. It's widely used in meetings, training sessions, and academic projects. Remember, a great presentation can be the key to selling your idea. 4. Microsoft Outlook. If you need to manage your emails professionally, Microsoft Outlook is the best choice. It helps you organize your messages, schedule meetings, and manage your contacts efficiently, making it an essential tool for employees and business professionals. With Outlook, you can stay connected and manage your time effectively. 5. Microsoft Access. When dealing with large databases without complex programming, Microsoft Access is the solution. It's used for creating interactive databases, storing information, and organizing it efficiently, ideal for businesses and institutions handling vast amounts of data. Simply put, Access is the smart way to manage data effectively. Conclusion: Microsoft Office is more than just a set of programs, it's a complete system that boosts productivity and helps you succeed. Which Office program do you rely on the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Glimpse Pro, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.